What's up, y'all? I have the hiccups a little bit. Let's see if not hiccup. I mean hiccup. I hiccuped. I got the hiccups. Oh, that's terrible. She would have pretended to be passed out before she passed out. Right. Oh. Oh. I was trying to say hi to my dog and this didn't work. Oh. Oh, God. Oh. You ever get the hiccups? I rarely get the hiccups. I rarely get them, dude. Oh. Oh, God. Oh. Oh, this ain't fun. Oh. I'm not faking this. This is not fake. Oh. Okay, hiccups, you can stop now. Oh. 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 It hurts. Oh. Oh. Oh, God. Oh. 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 It's not funny no more. How long will they go? Why? Oh. Oh. This is terrible. Oh. This is awful. I don't want to have the hiccups. Oh, God. Okay, breathe. I think it's gonna rain. Oh, it's gonna rain. We didn't have the hiccups because it's gonna rain. Why? Why? Oh! I think I need some Pepto. Oh! 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 Oh. This ain't good. This ain't good at all. Oh! 4 minutes of hiccups so far. This is terrible. Oh! Terrible. Oh, God. Alright, I don't want to gross y'all out with hiccups, so. Oh! I'm crying. Hiccups suck. This is awful. Make it stop. Oh. You think it's gonna wash away my new paint? Oh, I don't think it will. Oh. What do I need to do? Breathe into a bag? Drink Pepto? Uh-oh, I felt a raindrop. Oh. Yawn. Smile. Twitch to the nose. Oh. Oh God, I'm sorry.
Not exactly. It's the crime scene where Harriet found me. I'm checking it out. Everything from that long ago is boxed in the basement at City Hall. As you can see, I tucked my plug in here in the forest.
Donkey. Cootie boy. Come here, cootie boy. Cootie boy. What is you doing, boo boo? Oh gosh.
What I remember next to Martin is your father carrying him out to bring you into his home.
Alright, it's raining. We gotta go in. It's raining. Oh, the sky is falling. The sky is falling. Goody boy. Oh. 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 This is awful. Ow. Alright, that's it. I'm going to drink water. Has it really been 9 minutes of hiccups? Oh crap. Sorry.